Welcome to episode number 9 of Turning $100 into $1 million, a series where I risk a whopping $100 of my own money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. In the last episode, we took a look at a pick that I had seen in a group, and of course, as the usual portfolio update, it was a rather quick video, but it did get some views, and we're going to be taking a look at another pick as well as a portfolio update, so let's dive right in. So for starters, we have our usual three here. We have ABR, OXLC, and my free stock VIAC. And if you would like a free stock, you can sign up with my link down below, valued up to $1,400. You can use my link down in the description to possibly get a stock worth up to that amount. So VIAC is in the green, up 50 cents or 3.29%. OXLC also in the green, 88 cents or 2.21%. But ABR is in the red at down almost 11%, which is pretty hefty, but it's all relative. We'll look at the charts. So here's the market close as of Friday, the 24th of April. There's the 1 day, the 5 day, the 1 month, and the 1 year. So it's starting to consolidate, just kind of trading sideways in these last few days. Not too much of a percent change up or down for that matter. OXLC, 5 days, 1 month, 1 year. I think we're seeing a bottom right there, and then hopefully with the next week's market open, we'll start to see a little bit of a rally, and we can sell into that rally. VIAC, still holding strong. Seems to have bottomed out here. It's not going to be going down any further. It's a media company, it's TV, which is still on every single day, so there hasn't been too much of a revenue change. If anything, people are watching even more TV now, so I wouldn't expect this to go down any further, which makes it a good pick for a free stock. That was very lucky. However, the other stock I wanted to take a little peek at is Aytu BioScience, another pharmaceutical company. In the last video, we covered a pharmaceutical company. Here's another one. So a bit of a choppy chart here. On the 1 day, on the April 24th close, it was up, including after hours, almost 30%. And then on the 5 day, though, it is still in the red. But if you include the after hours, it is technically up for the 5 day week. And the 1 month, the 6 month, see a massive spike there. That was when Aytu announced that there'd be some deal as far as distributing devices for the virus. And then the year to date and the 1 year. 5-year chart is a much different story. This might include stock splits. So whenever you see a chart like this, that doesn't necessarily mean the stock was trading at $20,000 a share. It means that there's been stock splits, and relatively speaking, that was the price, but it wasn't actually the price. We'll get into that in another video, don't worry. So the reason for the spike as far as the news, so we take a look at their distribution agreement for the COVID-19 rapid test. This was on the 23rd, and the company, Aytu BioScience, specialty pharmaceutical company focused on commercializing novel products that address significant patient needs, announced the signing of a definitive agreement, the agreement with Singapore-based Biolytics Limited, to exclusively distribute the Biolytics COVID-19 rapid test in the United States. Aytu has committed to purchase 500,000 tests within 1 business day from the date of the signing of the agreement, and as an additional component of Aytu's exclusivity, the company has committed to purchase a minimum of 1,250,000 tests within the first 3 months of the agreement. So testing specifically isn't going to be going away anytime soon. Even when the virus is long over, there's still going to have to be testing for the virus. And so you might want to take a look at this. I'm not recommending it one way or the other. You might want to take a look at this company, and this could be a penny stock in the making. I wouldn't necessarily call it a long-term investment. However, you can look to trade it if you're in that kind of biz. Back to Webull, account value now stands at a little over 110. So hopefully next week we shall see another rally, as it looks like we have reached another bottom, as I talk about how we're reaching those higher highs and higher bottoms. And so next week should commence the start of a rally, but we will see what happens. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you'd like to see more videos from my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. I post videos every single week without fail. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much.